Problems in life are like traffic lights. They only last for a certain period of time. It doesn't take eternity. There's this man that I came across on the internet. And when I did listen to his life story, trust me, I developed some love for this man. The man called Archie Williams. Archie Williams was a man who lives in the States and who was incarcerated for a crime that he never committed. He was being accused of a rape. A woman leveled a false charge against him at the law courts, which for whatever reason he was sentenced to imprisonment for 80 years. In the midst of these 80 years, Archie Williams spent 37 years in prison. And thank God, DNA proved this man innocent. So he was released on the 37th year in prison. When I did listen to this man, one thing that I developed hope and made me love this man was that he said when he was in prison, the very thing that he used to do to get himself going so that he can forget about the pains that he has gone through was all about prayers and singing. So when he came on the AGT, Americans Got Talent, that was the exact thing that he said. He said, I always pray and sing when I was in prison. Imagine if this is supposed to happen to you in life. If it was you and I, we would have lost hope in God. We would have lost hope in our faith in everything. But this man, Archie Williams, he never lost hope. He kept on trusting God. And he developed and placed his heart solely on God. And he believed that one day, the Spirit of the Lord, as it brought Peter, James, and the rest from prison, so shall he also come out. When the interviewer asked him that, imagine this number of years that he had spent in prison, it always said. This was the answer that Archie Williams said. He said, for Christ, it is never wasted. Why? Because what he couldn't achieve within this time frame that he spent in prison, with the help of God and the Spirit, that is the Holy Spirit and Jesus, the only begotten Son of God, he can restore him with a restitution, whatever that he has lost. So have hope. If God was able to bring Peter and the other apostles out of prison, if God was able to bring Archie Williams out of prison, trust me, your case is not different. Yours is not different from that of Archie Williams. There's nothing that God cannot do on earth. He has done it. He did it yesterday, today, he has done the same thing, and he will keep on doing forever until eternity. Have hope. Whatever you're going through, just have hope. It's a beautiful Monday. And trust me, this week carries a good news for you. A news that you've never heard before. God has plans. A plan of positivity. A plan to change your life story. A plan to give you a better definition in life. A plan that will catapult you. A plan that will take you to your dreamland. Don't lose hope. What you're going through, just picture or the image of a traffic light. It will only last for a certain period of time. And this problem will be no more. God bless you and bless you so much. 31st December watch night. It's a mega service. It's a night that God is blessing a lot of people from all walks of life. I'm utilizing this set opportunity to invite you. It's a night that the Spirit of the Lord will touch your life. Kindly be part of this heavenly Levite, and your story will never be the same. God bless you. Enjoy your week, for there is so much that the Lord has for you. God bless you.
Praise